Welcome to another episode of Shooting Science. Today, we are going to unbox a special edition Holosun optic. This is the Ronin 507 Comp. Let's get into it. So here's how I got it. It came in this weird red plastic. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that off. All right, let's see what you get inside. Little warranty card. A prepackaged user's manual. Let's open that real quick. Oh, it's not a book. It's like one of these. It shows you how to load the battery. It's a side-loading battery. Multi-reticle system. This uses a CR1632 battery, not a 2032 battery. The up and right indicate changes to the point of impact. So turn it right to make the point of impact go right, and turn it up to make the point of impact go up. It says this sight has been factory adjusted to an approximate 25 yard zero. It should require minimal adjustment on most applications. So we'll see about that. Now we're at the range, and these are the first shots out of this optic with no adjustment whatsoever. Well, I'd say that information was accurate. See what I did there? Forgive me, I'm a dad. Anyway, let's see what else we got here. Your reticle will automatically enter into sleep mode after 10 minutes of no movement. The slightest movement will instantaneously wake the LED to the last setting used. You can change the sleep timer. Default setting is 10 minutes. There's 4 to choose from. 10 minutes, 1 hour, or 12 hours, or the sleep mode is disabled. Crazy. LED will blink as follows. So you can change the timing of that. I'm not going to. All right, let's see what else you get. Nice silica gel so that there's no moisture inside of your box. Cool little microfiber. Some screws. Does it say what these are? Sorta. 6-32 by 7. And I can't tell what those are. You get a little tool here to adjust the settings for windage and elevation, and then a Torx bit on the other end. And there's the sight. And there's the Ronin logo. And this is an RMR pattern. So it will fit RMR patterned slides. Let's see if there's a battery in there. Well, first of all, let's see if I can turn it on. Yep, it's on. There's one reticle there. See if I can change it. I turned it off. To change the reticles, hold the minus button down 3 seconds to switch between the 3 reticles. There's a dot. There's the open circle. And then there's the circle with a dot. I know it's looking kind of blurry on camera, but it is very crisp to my eyes. And the dot is a 2 MOA dot. So you have a big window and a tiny dot, which I really like for competition. You can get nice, precise shots with that small dot and a big window. And that Ronin dragon logo machined into the side of the optic is so cool. Love that. On the other side, I definitely really like this understated Holosun logo that's been cut into the side of the optic. There's no grooves. It's just a flat black Holosun cut. That's everything that you get in the box. 50,000 hour battery life. The travel range is 30 MOA. Very cool. What's pretty cool about the Ronin Holosun is you could mount this on a Glock 47 and have a 47 Ronin. But I'm not going to mount it on a Glock 47. As I revealed earlier in this video, it's going to stay mounted to my Alpha Foxtrot Romulus 2011. And I'll make another video of that gun as well, using this optic in another separate review. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you're running this optic on your competition gun. Let me know if you're thinking about getting one of these or if this is the first time you've ever heard of it. If you found this video helpful, please give me a like, maybe a subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.